These BORWOLF 10-38x60 high-definition binoculars offer a very wide zoom range, making it easy to move from general scanning to detailed close-up views without changing equipment. The large 60mm objective lenses combined with back 4 prisms and fully multi-coated optics deliver bright, sharp images with strong contrast even in challenging light. Image quality stays impressively clear at higher magnifications, so distant subjects like birds, wildlife, or even lunar craters remain detailed rather than turning into blurry blobs. The sturdy alloy frame and thick rubber armor give the binoculars a solid, durable feel, while also providing shock resistance and basic protection against rain and splashes. A standard tripod mount and smooth central focusing wheel make these binoculars comfortable to use for long observation sessions, whether you are watching sports, concerts, or landscapes. Their versatile design works well for travel, bird watching, casual astronomy, and outdoor events, so one pair of binoculars can cover many different hobbies.